Hey, this is Joe from Eagle2 Digital, and I spoke with you this morning and told you I was going to go ahead and get you a short 5 to maybe 6 minute video showing you exactly what we found your bigger competitors out there are doing online to generate so many leads, and most importantly, show you how you and your team can do the very same thing. And so all said and done, it comes down to three simple strategies, three simple things that Google is requiring that you implement in order to have your site ranked and placed in front of your customers when they do a Google search. And so you might be asking yourself, well, why I'm willing to go ahead and share this information with you for no charge, for free. And basically it comes down to the fact that when I show you how valuable this information is and how you can implement these same strategies yourself, there is a chance that you might decide to have me go ahead and do that for you. And so my job is to show you exactly what your competition is doing, show you how you can do it yourself, and then let you decide if you want to go ahead and do it yourself or if you would rather go ahead and have me help you. And so let's go ahead and move on with it, and I'm going to show you exactly what Google is requiring here. So first off, I want to let you know that you do have a good looking website here. It's actually designed very beautiful. And so one thing I want to let you know is that it doesn't matter how beautiful that website is if Google is not going to put it out in front of your customers. And so my job here is to show you how you can get that in front of your customers. Number one, Google is requiring about 1,500 words of content. Okay, and if I were to go ahead and search and find out how many words of content you have, you guys are pretty close, about 1,200 words of content, so not too bad. But they're not only looking for content, they're also looking for how many organic keywords are in that content. Okay, and so I'm using a tool here called ACHV that you guys can also get yourself if you'd like. And it's showing here that you have about 107 organic keywords in that front page. Okay, and so just to compare, I'm going to show you here that AirMasters here, which is one of your bigger competitors out there, they've got about 866 organic keywords. So how relevant is that? Is that something you need to be concerned about? Well, let's just take a peek here. As I look at AirMasters and I take a look at these keywords that they have, okay, I'm showing that they've got, for example, AC Repair Tampa, over 1,000 searches a month done on that term alone. Tampa, Florida HVAC, another 90. AC Company Tampa, another 200. HVAC Tampa, another 300. So yes, organic keywords is definitely something very critical to have involved with your website. Okay, so number two on the list is going to be what they call backlinks. If I'm looking at backlinks, I'm showing that you guys have 6 referring domains out there, 6 other websites that are referring links to your website. Okay, so you got about 7 backlinks here. Okay, let's compare that to our competition again here, AirMasters, and it shows here that they have over 189 referring domains out there, but referring over 5,000 backlinks. Okay, this is where we want to be, is having a whole ton of backlinks. So what can we do about that? Okay, can we do something to make sure that we're on track to do the same thing? And basically, you can go ahead and use the same tool here. It was Ahrefs, and then you went over here to backlinks, clicked on it, and up comes all of these backlinks, all of these other businesses out here that AirMasters has that is sending business to them. And you can go ahead and use that tool, Ahrefs, that I was just showing you. Contact each and every one of these businesses, just like they have, okay, and say, hey, listen, I want to have a link showing, so you guys are sending me some business as well. Okay, so kind of, yes, a long and tedious process, but that's what these guys have done to develop this rapport, and what they've done to be able to match the criteria that Google is looking for. And that's why when we do a Google search under like AC Repair Tampa, for example, it's going to go ahead and bring up a lot of people up here in the very front here called a map pack. Okay, you can see AirMasters is here. Now, so they've met the criteria when it comes to content. They've done the same thing with the keywords, and they've done the same thing with the backlinks. Now, one of the other reasons and key criteria that Google is looking for here is they want to see citations. In other words, how many online directories is your business listed with? To be up here, usually they have about 100 to maybe 150 online directories that these guys are probably listed in. And believe it or not, there's actually over 300 online directories that you can be a part of. Okay, and so basically what you do is the same kind of thing that we did here with the backlinks. You go ahead and use a tool called Majestic, and with that you go ahead and go all the way down here and find all of these directories that these guys are listed in, that AirMasters is listed in, and say, hey, listen, here's my business name, my phone number, my address, and all of these kind of things. I want to be listed as well. And so you can contact each and every one of these and do the very same thing. Again, kind of a long and tedious process, but it is doable, and it all depends on how important it is for you to being ranked #1, or not at least up here on the map pack or on the very first page when it comes down to a Google search. Okay, so there's a lot of online business right now that you can be a part of by doing that. So in summary, what we're looking at here is 1,500 words of content, and we're looking at organic keywords, a number of them. We're looking at backlinks and citations. And so if you feel that this is something that you guys can handle on your own, then that's awesome. That's why I've provided this free information for you, so you can get on it and get with it and make that happen. But at the same time, if you guys really need to focus on your business and you would rather have some help doing these kind of things, then by all means, that's what I'm here for as well. I just hope that I've been able to show you how valuable this information is, these 3 criteria. We want Google to work with us. We want them to work for us. We want to meet the criteria for content, backlinks, and citations. And if you need my help doing that, you can reach me at 813-797-4433. And again, my name is Joe with Ego2 Digital, and I would be more than happy to help you guys out with that. Either way, please give me a response to this email and let me know if I can help you out. And if not, then please respond as well. But whatever you do, don't put it off, because it is something very valuable, very important to get you guys out there in front of your customers when they're doing a Google search so they can find you. So thank you for listening, and please let me know. Thank you very much.